Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. TCL Onetouch 4043 is a foldable mobile phone designed to be simple and easy to use, ideal for people who prefer basic functions without the complexity of today's smartphones. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Quick start guide. We have the battery, 1380 mAh the capacity, the stand with an input 5 volt 550 mAh, the same and the output, indicator light, the contacts and Type-C connection, the power adapter. The cable length, it is 1 meter, very convenient. Plug in the power adapter here to charge your mobile phone. Wow, I like the color. Gray. I like the texture. With 1.77-inch external screen for instant notification viewing and 3.2-inch QVGA internal screen. I just love it. And I'm sure my dad will love that phone. It is huge. I love the display. SOS button to call a predefined number in case of emergency, the volume key, up and down, the speaker, the camera, is not a high quality camera obviously, but definitely you can take some pictures and videos, I will show you. The torch, TCL Onetouch, we have a built-in FM radio, and here we have a 3.5mm audio jack. You can connect wired headset and the Type-C port here. That means you can connect directly the cable at the phone. No need to plug in at the base if you don't want the base. But if you like the base, you can have it near your bedside table at the night. Soft pads at the base. It will stay very secure at any surface. I like the foldable. It turns on and off, very smooth. We have a silicone patch here, large buttons for easy navigation. We have the call button, end button, left and right button. Very smooth. OK button. The navigation key up and down and left and right. Some other buttons here and the numbers. Very soft with English characters. I can even open with one hand. Nice. Now let's remove the back cover. Okay, that was easy. It has the ability to use 2 SIM cards, dual SIM, and 1 micro SD card, up to 128 GB maximum capacity. To install the SIM card it is very easy. First, and the second, same, and the micro SD card. That was all. And of course I need to install the battery. I like the texture. And turn on with this button. With the navigation up and down, you can choose the language, so many languages. English, some information, next, data connection, data roaming, next. Long pressing SOS key will emit a loud alert sound. OK. Contact list, next. Message, please help me, next. OK. At the main screen we can see the beautiful display, large display, easy to read everything, the time, the date, menu, contacts. Here we can see the two SIM cards, 4G and voice calls for clear communication, and the second card, and I have installed and the micro SD card. Now let's go at the menu. You can navigate, call logs, missed calls, dial it, receive it, reject it, all calls, delete, call timers, GPRS counter, message, option, new chat, enter the number you want, and then the message. Oh my god. That was a long time. Contacts, you can enter the contacts, group. Camera, let's take some pictures with the center button. I can hear the click, and if you want you can save. And we have some settings here. I can take end video. Camera mode, video mode, and record. And moving on at the gallery, image. Let's check the image. Next photo. Okay. Video. Playing the video. And stop. SOS. Okay, you can add a number for the SOS button. Tools, alarm, clock, torch. Nice. Very strong. And off. Calculator, calendar, record. Testing, 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Testing, 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Nice sound. My files. Magnify, convert. Entertainment. Opera Mini. Okay. Let's take a look. TCL okay .com. You can navigate with the button. No, I don't think so anyone will use that. It is a little bit frustrating. Okay, never mind. And Facebook, okay. Let's move on to the settings. Phone settings, time and date. Language settings, display and writing. Shortcut settings. Auto power on off, you can adjust. Power management, same in here. Restore factory, profiles, you can choose and adjust, rename, ring settings, fixed ringtones, more ringtones, you can create your own ringtones on these files from a phone or SD card you can choose. Fixed ringtones, only 2 ringtones, okay. Message tone, same in here, only 1 ringtone, or you can create more ringtones. Second SIM card, same, and for the message, adjust volume, message ringtone, alarm calendar, call volume, power on off tone, ring type, ring and vibrate, or vibrate and ring, or silent. Message and vibrate, the same and for the SIM 2, alarm, other alert rings, key tone, battery low alert, power on off, dial tone, flip close tone, okay. Bluetooth, you can turn on the Bluetooth, send files to other devices, choose the storage, phone or SD card, display, animation effect, power on display, power off display, wallpaper settings, more pictures, idle display settings, screensaver, contrast, it has a high contrast, keypad backlight time, 5, 10, 20 seconds, front settings, large or small, large, subscreen clock, digital or clock 1, auto keypad lock, off, layout, you can adjust the security, call settings, network settings, connectivity, voice report, on or off, SOS dial setting, you can activate, check for updates, a software update is available, okay, downloading, so let's do a software update, why not, download complete, okay, and let's wait, and we're back, check for updates again, it's up to date, perfect, call filter, regulatory and safety, okay, about, and the version. That is all the settings. And there is on the main screen, you can see some information for the battery, the date, the hour, the signal. And when someone is calling, One missed call, you can see some informations and you can go and check the call. The display will switch off after a few seconds. When someone is calling, you can just open the phone and it will answer the call. And here we can see some informations: keypad, back, mute, hold the call, unhold, hands-free, the speaker, contacts and call logs. Now let's see how am I sounding on speaker.
Large buttons for easy navigation and simple and clear menu and the built-in LED torch for added convenience with a great sound quality from the speaker. Clear sound.
I like it. Now check the microphone. You will hear my voice from this smartphone.
And the same goes and for the microphone of this mobile phone. Clear sound, you can hear me very well. Ability to use 2 SIM cards, built-in FM radio and SOS button to call a predefined number in case of emergency. I like the sound quality.
And now let's try and listen from this speaker.
The TCL Onetouch 4043 is ideal for those looking for a simple, reliable and easy to use phone with basic functions and modern connectivity features. The user of this mobile phone can hear the other one very well.
And of course you can charge the phone. If you want, you can use the base or without the base. We can see the battery capacity. And that's the TCL Onetouch 4043, a simple, reliable and easy to use feature phone that's perfect for calls, texts and basic connectivity. Whether you need a backup phone, a device for seniors or just no frills mobile experience, this one gets the job done. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more phone reviews, tech insights and gadget comparisons. Thanks for watching and as always, stay connected, stay simple and I'll see you in the next video.